Hello guys, so this is how I made my back to work hair. I've been on wig for some time now, and when it was getting close to me resuming back to work, I kept wondering what I would do, if I should just continue with my wig or just make something new. And so I just decided that I needed to look different because I get bored of look easily. I ordered this crochet hair from Shein, and somehow this hair did not arrive until one day to me going back to work. So I was turning between, wearing wig to work or, waiting till weekend to make the hair and all of that. And then it was also the same day that this hair arrived that my husband came back. So I just decided that, it's crochet and it's fast, so why not? I remember the first time I made cornrow for myself, it took me hours, but I've been doing this now and it's getting easier and faster. If you make hair in this place, let's leave the story for another day, sha. Today, let's talk about this hair. So the crochet arrived, and this is what it looks like. Crochet is something that it's a very easy hair for you to make. It's not something that you don't even need to be a professional. All you just need is to have your crochet pin and then have the hair. So all you do is to just push the pin in like I'm doing now, use the other end, pick the hair, and then you pull it out and then you fit it in. One thing that annoyed me about this hair was that it was scanty, and to think that it was a pack of 5. I prefer the crochet that is being sold in Nigeria because the Nigerian own is always very full. Like the last hair that I did it with just one pack and it was full, and this is 5 packs, and I was still struggling to make sure that I fitted it in. And because it's crochet, you don't want it to look so scanty. So at a point I even had to go get from some of the hair I brought from Nigeria just to fill it in so that it won't, end up looking too, that even maybe if breeze or wind just blow, then it would show the roots that you have like all back in between. So this is me still trying to look for all the space to fill in. I'm done now. Applied my hair oil. When I was done with the hair oil, applied my mousse, applied my edge control, and applied the mousse on it just to make sure, because it had some curls, just to detangle and all of that. So I had to pack it up because I work in the hospital and I can't leave my hair flying. This is the final look. How does it look? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video.